day trade setup for today. So just starting off in the daily, we had a very bullish day on Friday with the jobs number coming through unexpected. We are in an area, we're in an area of resistance at the moment, and there is another small area just above. It's going to zoom in just to get this level. There it is there. So you can see, if I look to the left, you can see there's a fair amount of resistance here. Okay, and then a little bit higher, there's another one. And then even higher, there is another little one right over there. Okay, so we've got quite a bit of congestion right here. Let's just get down to the 3 hours. Come down to a zoom out a bit for us. Okay, so looking at the 3 hour, you can see we sort of bounced off resistance and we are going sideways right now. Now, I suspect we're still continuing up. Now once we're through this area of resistance, there's nothing really much until gap close, and then we've got the all-time highs. So anyway, that's kind of the structure that we can see at the moment. What I'm looking for is buying opportunities, and those buying opportunities obviously need to come off support. So if we look on the charts, where's the first level of support? It's going to be down here at 3150. Okay. Next area, which is a lot more support, which is around here. There. You can see this is used as resistance, came back, used as support once, and then bounced back up. So that's 3131. So that's kind of the structure that's in play. This move here, due to the jobs number on Friday, was very, very strong. So this retraces all of that. I'd actually get a little bit worried, but I'd still take a long off this area. Okay, so if we just come down to the 15, now the reason I'm using the 15 is it just becomes a little bit easier for me to ascertain exactly what's transpiring. And you can see here was an area where it was used as resistance, broke through, came back and used as support. Still got a bit of a gap here. We did gap up this morning, so it looks like it's moved down, consolidating, probably a second move down to come and test this area and potentially close the gap. So with all that in mind, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a long of 3186 to start with. We'll watch that on the 15 minutes during the European session. If we start getting some bullish price action, that's definitely an opportunity to get in with a very, very tight stop just below this swing low here. Okay, and that swing low is 3185. Okay, and yeah, I'm definitely watching that area. If we get through this area, we'll then look further down around this area 3150. Okay, but just from a fundamental perspective, if that happens, then pretty much all the good news of the jobs data is erased. So it would raise a little bit of red flag in my head, but trend is still up, so you need to be trading with the trend. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing. So yeah, not looking for shorts in this. This is as clear as daylight. It is moving in an upward fashion. Okay, there's no reason to short this. As far as I'm concerned, this is a strong move up, consolidating. So in other words, this is a flag. And the next step up is up, retest, and then continue up. And we have a gap above us, and we have the all-time high above us. And those are two major magnets right now, if you just look at the weekly. Let me just delete the noise so you can actually see the weekly, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, so yeah, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the economies around the world. We have rallied 47%, and we're more than likely going to rally well over 50% to get an all-time high. Okay, I doubt there's anything that's going to stop this. This area here is going to offer a little bit of resistance, you can see on the weekly. But I think once you're through that, then it's gap, then it's all-time high, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so yeah, so I'm looking for longs or structure, more than likely be working with the 15 minutes. Put your levels in on the 15 minute there, and you can put both these levels in at the top. There we go. So sort of a break above 3214. Yeah, I think you can basically hold that long for the week. And the other level here is 3209. Level to the downside is 3187, but I'm definitely not looking for shorts. Even if we get through this, I'll look a little bit lower down for the next level. And there's a micro level there, and then there's a major level down there. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Long off for support, and that's what I'm looking for in the S&P. If you're still listening, thanks so much. Appreciate a thumbs up there. Trying to grow up grow the channel. So the more likes I get, just helps that Google algorithm and helps me grow the channel a bit better. Thanks, Stack, and take care. We'll catch up later. Cheers for now.